All right, guys, day 62 of the 100 Days of LeetCode. We are getting there. Today is the 39th last day. And we're doing an easy problem, remove duplicates from sorted lists. So we are given the head of a sorted linked list, and we want to delete all duplicates such that each element appears only once. And we want to return the linked list sorted as well. So we have 1, 1, 2, turns into 1, 2. Because we remove one of the ones. 1, 1, 2, 3, 3 becomes 1, 2, 3 because we remove one of the ones, one of the threes. Okay, so let's do it. So first thing is we just want to do if head equals none. We're going to return none because nothing's going on, right? So we can just check that immediately, get that out of the way. We're going to create basically a pointer to head called returned, and we're basically going to update this as we, we're going to update head as we go along. So we need to basically store that location in another variable so that we can just return it at the end and still have access to, sort of the same list, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to say while head.next not equal to none, right? Because we want to keep going until the list is done, essentially. We need to check if head.val equals head.next.val, right? That means we have a duplicate because it's a sorted list, so the duplicates will be beside each other. What we want to do is we want to say basically head.next equals head.next.next, right? So if there's a duplicate, the first one, we basically want to change its next to skip over the duplicate and go to the next one, right? And if that's not the case, so if we do not have a duplicate, what we want to do is we just want to say head equals head.next. So we just advance forward. And then we can just return returned. And that should be good code. There you go. That's how we solved that one. That was day 62. If you guys like that, please like, subscribe. We'll be back tomorrow, day 63. Take care.